here. It's in his tail.
Look, he's showing you where it goes. Where does it go? Oh, yeah.
It's like it's right here.
Oh, like on his back, like his spine. Isn't that neat?
That's cool. Look.
Do you like that, sweetheart? That's so interesting.
Guys,
Oh, look, he had to get it. Oh, look, he's showing you it's his rib.
He's got a cool job, huh?
Just look at there.
I get down.
You want to get down? Okay. Come here. Is that fun? Can you say paleontologist?
Can you thank him for showing you those things? Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
That was so nice of him to show us stuff.
Wasn't that nice? I learned a lot.
I'm looking at my desk, you know. Yep, those are dinosaur bones. Isn't that cool? What a neat job. He's a paleontologist. He studies dinosaurs all the time.